Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this delicious cottage pie. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also to go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now, let us cook. So guys, for the mashed potatoes, I'm using these red medium-sized potatoes. I will be removing the skin from it, then after I'll show you guys how I cook them. Now I'm gonna be slicing the potatoes because I wouldn't want to cook them whole because it's gonna take, a longer time to cook. So the smaller the cut, the easier it's gonna take to cook. So guys, in a medium-sized sauce pot, I'm gonna be adding the potatoes. Now I'm gonna cook these for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are soft. So guys, moving on to our filling. Here I have the ground beef. And this is the lean, guys. I also have some season. I have garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano there. Here I have paprika. I also have chili powder and meat season. I also have mixed vegetable, parsley flakes, and brown gravy, guys. That's what I'm gonna use to thicken the sauce. Now in a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding canola oil. Then I'm gonna be adding my ground beef. So guys, I'm going to be using a wooden spoon just to break apart the beef, though I'm going to be changing over to a whisk. Now I find that the whisk helped me to prevent lumps and I just don't like that. If it makes sense, if it makes sense to you guys, I mean, you'll see. But to me, it makes complete sense and it's easier. See, just free up the lump and all that. That's just perfect. So now I'm back to using the wooden spoon. I'm gonna be seasoning the ground beef rice. So now I'm adding the season. Combine everything together. And this was amazing, guys. This smells so good. Now I'm gonna be adding those frozen vegetables. Combine everything once more. Then we're gonna be adding a cup and a half of water. You guys can substitute the water for vegetable or beef broth, or if you have chicken broth, guys, go ahead and use chicken broth. I mean, it's broth. Now guys, I'm adding the brown gravy mix and I'm using 2 packets of that one. A lot of people use flour, substitute it with flour, but I find that using flour, I just don't like the taste, to be honest. The brown gravy gives it a much better flavor, trust me. It was amazing. Like, guys, look at that, just so good. So this was one of them recipes where you just have to be making over and over and over again, and it was super easy to make, very convenient. The ingredients and everything, it was just really simple. So now, guys, I'm adding the meat mixture in a Pyrex dish. Now I'm just gonna level that ground beef, guys, so we can place the potato evenly. And now that the potatoes have cooked, guys, you guys can go ahead and use a fork and just run it through that, guys. Very soft. See? Cook. Now I'm gonna be draining the water from these potatoes and mash them. So now, guys, to mash the potato, I'm using 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of half and half. Now I'm mashing the potato with a whisk. Now I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. You guys can go ahead and use your hand whisk or even your mixer. This was super convenient for me. Just grab something and just mash, guys. Yeah, but what I did regret adding was sour cream. I'm not sure if everyone used sour cream in their mashed potato, but if you haven't, guys, trust me, you're missing out. Add that sour cream to your mashed potato. I promise you will not regret it. No regret at all. Now I'm gonna be spreading the mashed potato on that beef filling. And you just want to carefully spread the mash over that filling, guys. Now using a fork, I'm just going in a zigzag motion. This is really optional. You don't have to really do this. I just wanted to do it, just so it looks nice. Yeah, I'm also going to be adding some dried parsley flakes for garnish. Now I'm going to be baking this at a temperature at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Now, guys, before serving, ensure that it's cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here you have the final product, guys. I do hope you guys enjoy the video and also the recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Remember to comment, share, subscribe, and thank you guys once more for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.